Are you constantly digging through laundry baskets to find something to wear? Is Laundry Mountain piled up on the couch, the chair, and the floor? Are you trying to do one load a day, but the habit just won't stick? Well, today I'm going to share how I manage laundry for my family of 8 in just 15 minutes a day. It took me years to figure out this method. When I was first married, laundry was the bane of my existence. One of the only things my husband and I argued about. We had piles of clothes everywhere, loads of laundry in front of the washer and dryer, and we never knew what was clean or dirty. But once I implemented this foolproof routine, everything changed. No more spending hours on the weekend trying to catch up. We always have clean clothes ready to wear, and best of all, they actually get put away. This small daily habit has brought peace to our home, and I truly believe it reflects the order and diligence that God calls us to in caring for our households. Proverbs 31:27 says, "She watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness." When we create simple, consistent routines, we bring peace to our homes and align our lives with God's design for order and stewardship. But everything should be done in a fitting and orderly way. 1 Corinthians 14:40. Even something as simple as laundry can be done with intention, glorifying God through faithfulness in the little things. Let's dive in and get your laundry under control once and for all. Hello and welcome to This Mama's Faith. Today's video is a little different. It's actually a podcast. This year, I felt a deep need for more practical homemaking how-to content, so I'm launching a new challenge called A Well-Ordered Home. This challenge is designed to help us refine and perfect different homemaking skills, all for the glory of God. It's all about being faithful in small tasks, so the verse we will carry through this series is Luke 16:10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. These episodes will be in podcast format to minimize distractions, allowing you to focus fully on the message rather than visuals. There will be no sponsorships and no ads. My goal is simply to share the gospel and encourage you in your homemaking journey. However, the financial support from this content is a true blessing to my family, helping to provide for my children's home education and even simple needs like groceries. If you feel led to support this work, you can donate here on YouTube or through the link below. Be sure to check the description box for additional resources, including printables, coordinating blog posts, and other helpful links. I pray that these podcasts become a treasure trove of encouragement and wisdom, helping you cultivate a home that glorifies God. So, laundry. Now, I know laundry isn't the most glamorous topic, but stay with me because I truly believe that how we approach this simple, daily tasks reflects our faith, our stewardship, and the peace we cultivate in our homes. So, let me ask you, how do you feel about laundry? Is it just another chore on your never-ending to-do list? Is it something you dread, a constant source of frustration? Or is it something that maybe, just maybe, could be seen as an act of love and service? Because here's the truth. Laundry isn't just about washing clothes. It's about caring for our families. It's about being a faithful steward of what God has provided. And it's about creating a home that functions smoothly, a place where everyone can thrive. In Colossians 3:17, we're reminded, "And whatever you do, whether in word or deed, do it all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through him." That verse doesn't say only the big things or only the things you love doing. It says whatever you do. That means even laundry. Growing up, someone else always did my laundry. And in some ways, I feel like that was actually a bit of a disservice to me because I never really learned how to do it. I didn't know the basics of managing laundry, keeping up with it, or making it a part of my routine. So when I started my own family and it was a really big struggle, I knew I needed to do things differently. I wanted my kids to grow up knowing how to take care of their clothes, to have a simple system that made laundry manageable, and to avoid the overwhelming piles that used to take over our home. After years of trial and error, I finally figured out a laundry routine that actually works. A system that keeps things simple and only takes 15 minutes a day. Today, I'm sharing exactly how we do laundry in our home for a family of 8 so you can implement it in your home too. Step 1. Everyone has their own laundry basket. The first big change I made was giving each person in our family their own laundry basket. And here's the rule: clothes never get mixed. For years, I tried the whole one load of laundry a day method where I just toss everyone's clothes into the washer together, and honestly, it created more work for me because once the load was done, I had to sort through every single piece of clothing and figure out which item belonged to who, then take them to different rooms to put away. Now we only wash one person's clothes at a time. It makes everything so much easier. That person's laundry gets washed, dried, and put away in one spot. No sorting, no extra steps. If you don't have enough laundry baskets for each person in your family as it is, I recently went to Target and saw some for just $4. And another good place to check would be the thrift store, Walmart. You can really get them for inexpensive. They don't have to be fancy and they don't even all have to match. Just make sure everyone has their own laundry basket. Step 2, assign each person a laundry day. The next part of our system is simple. Each family member is assigned a specific laundry day. Since we have 8 people in our household, that means everyone gets their own day, and one of the days, 2 people wash their laundry together. I usually combine the 2 youngest kids since their loads are smaller. This keeps things running smoothly. Everyone knows their day, and it prevents that last minute, oh no, I have nothing clean to wear moment. To make it even easier, I've created a printable weekly laundry calendar that you can put up in your laundry room so everybody can see it. You can grab that in the description box below. Step 3, we don't separate colors, whites, or towels. Now, I know this one might sound crazy to some people, but we do not separate colors, whites, or towels. Everything just gets washed together and we've never had an issue. Whoever's laundry day it is washes all of their clothes, along with their pillowcase and their bath towel. If we have any extra kitchen towels or hand towels that need to be washed, they just get thrown in with the load for that day. For example, if it's my laundry day, I grab all my clothes, my towel, my pillowcase, and anything extra that needs to be washed, and it all goes in at once. No overcomplicating things. Step 4, we need to talk about sheets, blankets, and other items. Every other week, we wash sheets and bedding. Since those are bulkier items, we run those as a separate load. So on bedding days, whoever's laundry day it is, we'll just do 2 loads instead of 1. And if you have an extra set of sheets, it makes it even easier because you can swap them out right away without waiting on the wash. Miscellaneous items like throw blankets, winter coats, and things that don't need to be washed as often get done on an as-needed basis. So step 5 is when we get into the 15-minute laundry routine. Now, this is the key to making it all work, breaking laundry into small, manageable steps throughout the day. Instead of trying to tackle it all at once, we follow the 3-step system. In the morning, 5 minutes. It takes maybe less to start the load. You grab it, toss everything in, and get it washing. In the afternoon, another 5 minutes, maybe. Switch it over to the dryer. This literally takes seconds, so really 5 minutes is being very generous. But doing it midday keeps the process moving. And then in the evening, 5 to 10 minutes, fold and put away the clothes. By doing this at night, we close out the day with laundry completely done, no piles sitting around, no laundry in the washer or dryer. And another good tip for when you're putting the laundry away is you can actually bring the clean clothes in the basket up to whoever's room it is and fold and put away their laundry right in their room. It takes away the step of having to walk folded piles up and down the stairs. A great way to remember this routine is by habit stacking, tying it into things you already do. For example, throw the laundry in while you make breakfast, switch it over after lunch, and fold it while dinner is cooking. Or you can set phone reminders and alarms to keep you on track. This system has completely transformed the way we do laundry in our home. There's no more overflowing laundry baskets, no more weekend catch-up days, and no more stress over finding something clean to wear. If you want to get started with this routine, be sure to grab the printable laundry calendar and laundry tip sheet in the description box. And stay tuned because I'll be releasing another video soon on my favorite laundry products, including DIY detergents and store-bought options that I love. So before we wrap up, I just wanted to remind you of something important. Laundry isn't just a chore. It's a way we serve our families, a way we practice stewardship, and even a way we honor God. Something as simple as doing a load of laundry can be an act of gratitude and faithfulness. Maybe while you're folding your child's laundry, you can be saying prayers for them too. When we create order in our homes, we reflect God's design for order in our lives. By establishing routines that bring peace instead of chaos, we make room for joy, for rest, and for being more present with our families. God has entrusted each one of us with the responsibility of caring for our homes, our families, and even the clothes on our backs. Stewardship isn't just about money. It's about how we manage the resources we already have. And that includes the clothes we wear, the towels we use, and the linens that keep our families warm. When we take the time to wash, fold, and put away laundry, we're not just going through the motions of a chore. We're demonstrating gratitude. Gratitude that our family has clothes to wear. Gratitude that we have clean water and machines to make the process easier. Gratitude that we can create a home that runs smoothly. Laundry is also a tangible way to serve our families. Think about it. When you wash and fold a load of laundry, you're providing for your loved ones in a way that may seem small, but is actually significant. You're giving your husband clean shirts to wear to work. You're making sure your kids have socks that match and cozy pajamas for bedtime. It's a way of saying, I care about you. And I know, trust me, I know, sometimes it doesn't feel that way. Sometimes, maybe most of the time, it feels like an exhausting, never-ending cycle. But when we shift our mindset and remember that God sees even the smallest acts of faithfulness, it changes everything. Proverbs 31:27, again, she watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. This verse reminds us that managing our homes is a noble and God-honoring calling. And part of that management is keeping things in order, not for perfection's sake, but to create a peaceful, welcoming environment. When we're constantly buried under piles of laundry, it can bring stress and chaos into our homes. But when we have a simple, consistent system, it brings peace. Imagine waking up in the morning knowing that everyone has clean clothes ready to go. No frantic searches through laundry baskets, no last-minute stress. Just a home that flows smoothly where everyone is prepared for the day ahead. When we take the time to manage this small area of our lives, it actually has a ripple effect. We feel less overwhelmed, we have more mental space to focus on things that matter most, spending time with our children, investing in our marriages, and deepening our walk with God. So today I want to encourage you, don't see laundry just as a chore. See it as an opportunity to serve, an opportunity to be a good steward, an opportunity to bring order to your home and peace to your family. And remember, again, Colossians 3:17, and whatever you do, whether in word or deed, do it all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through him. Let's approach even the smallest task with gratitude and purpose, knowing that God sees and values our faithfulness. Let's keep our homes and our hearts in order for the glory of God. So as you go about your day, I encourage you to see laundry as more than just another item on your to-do list. See it as an opportunity to serve with love, to be a good steward of what God has provided, and to cultivate a home where his peace dwells. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If this episode encouraged you, I'd love for you to share it with a friend who might need a fresh perspective on homemaking. And don't forget to grab the free laundry routine printable in the description box. It'll help you get started with a simple, stress-free system. Until next time, keep serving your family with joy, keep honoring God in the little things, and remember, faithfulness in the smallest tasks is never overlooked by him.